Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Zoho Books for US bookkeeping and tax reports, detailed guide step by step clearly. Look for the sign up button located prominently on the homepage. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and password. Choose your country as the United States. Select Continue to move forward with the registration process. Next, you will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email from Zoho and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, you will be redirected back to the Zoho Books interface. Now, you need to complete your company profile. Enter your business name and address accurately. Specify your business type, such as sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Provide your business tax ID number if applicable. After filling in all details, click on Continue. Now, you will be prompted to choose a pricing plan. Review the options available for Zoho Books tailored for US users. Select a plan that best fits your bookkeeping needs. Proceed to the payment section to enter your payment information. Fill in your credit card details and billing address securely. Once completed, authorize the payment to activate your subscription. After payment processing, you will gain immediate access to your Zoho Books account. Log in using your registered email and password. Now you can start navigating the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. Explore the settings to customize your bookkeeping preferences. Link your bank accounts to automate transaction syncing. Finally, set up your tax preferences to ensure accurate tax reporting in the future. You are now ready to use Zoho Books for effective bookkeeping and tax management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.